This last method of integration uses a u substitution, but it's a little bit backwards, where we still identify u as the inside of the composition, but then we kind of solve that for x to do our substitution. So with this one right here, I have an x plus 3 and an x minus 1. Since the x minus 1 is raised to the 5th, I'm going to make this my u. So I have u equals x minus 1. And then if I solve this for x, I get that x is equal to u plus 1. And then dx is equal to du plus 0. I don't need a plus 0 there. So when I do the substitution, this is still going to be u to the 5th, but this, I'm going to replace the x with u plus 1. So then this becomes the integral of u plus 1 plus another 3, so that's u plus 4, and then this is u to the 5th, and in this case dx and du are the same, so du, okay? Now I can distribute this, and so I have the integral of u, sorry, my pen's not working here, u to the 6th plus 4u to the 5th du, which, when I integrate, becomes 1/7 u to the 7th plus 4/6, oh my goodness, 4/6 u to the 6th plus c, and then going back in terms of the original variable, that's 1/7 times x minus 1 to the 7th plus 2/3 times x minus 1 to the 6th plus c. For this one, once again, I have a composition. The inside of my composition is x minus 1, so that's going to be my u. So if I have u equals x minus 1, then that means x, because I do have another x out here, and x squared is equal to u plus 1, and then dx is equal to, again, du plus 0. Okay, so when I do the substitution, I have the integral of, and then my x squared is the quantity u plus 1 squared, and then I have times u to the, and then this is the 1/3 power, and then my dx is the same as du, so I'm going to replace that. Okay, I'm going to kind of come down here. So expanding this, that's going to be the integral of u squared plus 2u plus 1 all times u to the 1/3 du, because that's squaring is a quick algebra step I can do. And then distributing u to the 1/3, I now have the integral of u to the 6/3 plus 1, so 7/3 plus 2u to the 1 plus 1/3 is 4/3 plus u to the 1/3 du. Now I'm just using the power rule. So that becomes 7/3 plus 1 is 10/3, so 3/10 u to the 10/3 plus, this would be 7/3, so 3/7 times 2, so 6/7 u to the 7/3, and then 3/4 u to the 4/3 plus c. Plugging x minus 1 back in for u, I have 3/10 times x minus 1 to the 10/3 plus 6/7 times x minus 1 to the 7/3 plus 3/4 times x minus 1 to the 4/3 plus c. And that's my answer.